Bay windows are a beautiful feature that adds character, light, and visual space to a home. However, because they extend outward and include multiple window sections, they can be more vulnerable to certain issues over time if not properly designed, installed, or maintained. For homeowners in Pasadena, understanding common bay window problems, and how to prevent them, can help protect comfort, appearance, and long-term performance. Drafts and air leaks around the frame. One of the most common issues with bay windows is unwanted drafts. Because bay windows involve multiple joints and angles, air leaks can occur if seals weaken or installation wasn't done precisely. In Pasadena homes, drafts often show up as temperature changes near the window or discomfort when sitting close by. Preventing this issue starts with proper sealing around all frame connections and ensuring the bay window is well supported and tightly fitted from the start. Uneven indoor temperatures near the window. Bay windows can sometimes create hot or cool spots in a room if they aren't performing efficiently. Large glass areas combined with poor insulation can allow heat to transfer more easily. Pasadena homeowners can prevent this by choosing bay windows with appropriate glass options and ensuring the window is installed with proper insulation beneath and around the structure. A well-built bay window should enhance comfort, not disrupt it. Condensation between glass or along frames. Condensation can form when temperature differences and moisture meet cold window surfaces. In bay windows, this issue may appear along the frames or glass edges if sealing or insulation is inadequate. In Pasadena homes, preventing condensation starts with quality materials and proper installation. Ensuring tight seals and stable interior surfaces helps reduce moisture buildup and keeps the window area comfortable and dry. Structural sagging or support problems. Bay windows extend outward from the home, which means they rely on proper structural support. Over time, poor support can lead to sagging, misalignment, or visible gaps. Pasadena homeowners can avoid this issue by ensuring bay windows are properly supported from the beginning. A well-supported bay window maintains its shape and alignment, preventing long-term structural concerns. Difficulty opening or closing operable sections. Many bay windows include operable side panels for ventilation. If these sections become hard to open or close, it's often due to frame shifting or alignment issues. Preventing this problem in Pasadena homes involves precise installation and routine inspection. Windows that are installed level and supported correctly maintain smooth operation over time. Water intrusion at seams or edges. Because bay windows have multiple joints, water intrusion can occur if flashing or sealing is incomplete. Even small gaps can allow moisture to enter. Pasadena homeowners can prevent this by ensuring proper moisture management during installation. Correct flashing and sealing help direct water away from the window and protect the surrounding structure. Wear and tear on exterior surfaces. Bay windows are more exposed than flat windows, which can lead to exterior wear if materials aren't durable. Over time, finishes may fade or deteriorate. Choosing quality materials and keeping exterior surfaces clean helps Pasadena homeowners maintain the window's appearance and function. Preventive care extends the life of the bay window and keeps it looking its best. Interior discomfort from poor design choices. Bay windows should enhance a room, not make it uncomfortable. Poor placement or design can lead to glare, uneven lighting, or awkward furniture layouts. Pasadena homeowners can prevent these issues by planning bay window placement carefully and selecting designs that suit the room's size and purpose. Thoughtful design ensures both comfort and usability. Long-term value comes from prevention. Most bay window issues stem from improper installation, inadequate support, or overlooked maintenance. Preventing problems early protects both comfort and investment. For homeowners in Pasadena, addressing potential bay window issues before they start is the key to long-term satisfaction. With proper planning, installation, and care, bay windows remain a beautiful, functional feature that enhances the home for years to come.